Miss Alice Logan was a lady who wanted to complete her dream of founding a school for the English family's children living in the village. At the beginning, they only learned English, but then the school was open to the community and they started learning Spanish and English and became bilingual as it is now. The school building was a big house with a big playground surrounded by a high fence. There was a high fence all around the playground we had, and behind the fence there were many plants. So it was a long and narrow garden we had around the playground. We had the stable, the caranza, the oak tree, which is right behind the stage. Okay. Now we have a flag here in the school. But before, it was in a small garden with a few steps. And there was a high pole, and in the morning we put up the flag, and before leaving in the afternoon, we lowered it, just as we do now with our flag in the school. Yes? I am a pupil at school, as you are. I was a pupil here. I started at 6 and ended in senior 5. My father was a teacher here in secondary school. And I remember my English teachers, whom I loved so much, Mrs. Miles, Susie Garassini, Nelly Cormack. I loved them all very, very much. I loved playing hockey, and Miss Amy Molyneux was our teacher. We called her Miss Molly. Mrs. Stotts was a music teacher. You have Mr. Oscar and Miss Pat. Mrs. Stotts was our teacher. She had a beautiful voice and she sang very, very well. And we had a great choir, a beautiful choir. Mrs. Dodds is the one who wrote the words of the school anthem. The anthem we sing now, she wrote the words. And it says, I go to the school we call our own. We do our best at work and play. And she said, and sing with heart so gay, which means bright, glad, happy. Then they changed the word for brave, yes, which is also great. I think she pictured the spirit of the school very well with these words. I remember when we recorded the song, and we got the record, which was big, round, black, it was very heavy, and it was such a big thing for only one song. I remember we bought the record and took it home, and I used to pass the music and sing it together with the record at home. We spent many hours here at school, many hours of the day. So it is important to take advantages of this and enjoy the time we're here sharing with our teachers and friends. The buildings grew bigger and bigger according to our needs. And now we even have our new lift. We're always looking for excellence in education, and pupils are sitting earlier for their exams with excellent results. This is fantastic because it's something that distinguishes our school too. But we must especially be good people, educated in values. Parents and school must work together to achieve these objectives. If we create a good atmosphere in our classrooms where there is respect, love and understanding, the children feel supported. And it's wonderful to work like this. It helps to develop creativity, critical thought, it stimulates the language and good sense of humor, which is very important in life. We are part of an institution with history, tradition and experience. And sometimes it is important to stop and look at our history. This allows us to understand ourselves. It reinforces our identity. It gives sense of our actions and orientates our following steps. We must feel proud of belonging to VDS. I love you all. That's all.